Hey guys, I'm here at the Stacker booth at Rapid TCT, and these guys make some high-end industrial printers. We'll start from the back of this thing. We got 4 Bowden tubes working for us, and look at the size of those wheels. It's pretty amazing. You see the size of these guys here. I'll walk around the front here in a second, showing they're independent. If you don't want Bowden, they'll do direct extrusion as well. This is one of their newest units. It's going, having a grand old time. Everybody has blowers, linear rails, and it's just amazing the size of this thing and the speed that you get out of it. If you look over here, you'll see one. You've got a direct extruder right there and 3 Bowdens, and away you go. So lots of fun stuff here at Rapid TCT and at the Stacker booth.